Yo tech lovers, ready to have your mind blown? Because today we're diving into the coolest tools out there. Smart gadgets, clever inventions, and next level upgrades you didn't know you needed. So don't blink, don't scroll, and definitely don't miss this, because the future isn't coming. It's already here, and it's waiting in your shopping cart. The Cube is a compact, all-in-one angle, level, and distance measurer designed to make your projects easier, faster, and more precise, all while fitting right in your pocket. Whether you're a DIYer working on home improvements, a designer planning out a new layout, or a 3D printing enthusiast fine-tuning measurements, this tool is built for accuracy and portability. Equipped with a high-visibility green laser, the Cube delivers readings that are 170% clearer than standard red lasers, giving you better visibility in bright spaces. It measures distances up to 164 feet with outstanding accuracy, eliminating the guesswork from your tasks. From hanging artwork to checking long runs across a room, the Cube has your back. Its digital pendulum system and real-time angle readings help ensure pinpoint precision, while the auto-rotating display lets you view measurements easily from any position. Whether you're working overhead or close to the ground, the screen adjusts itself so you never miss a detail. Hands full? No problem. The built-in magnetic mount quickly attaches to metal surfaces, offering secure, hands-free operation when you need it most. It also stores up to 99 measurements, making it easier to manage ongoing projects without losing track of your data. Designed to replace multiple bulky tools like torpedo levels and tape measures, the Cube saves you time, space, and effort without sacrificing capability. Its compact size makes it ideal for tool belts, drawers, or pockets, so it's always within reach. Backed by Magpatech's commitment to innovation and quality, the Cube is engineered to perform in both professional settings and everyday home projects. It's simple, it's powerful, and it's smart. From quick fixes to detailed builds, the Cube keeps your measurements sharp and your workflow smooth every single time. Meet the Odubi 360-degree laser level, a compact yet powerful tool built for both DIYers and professionals who demand absolute precision. At the heart of this device is a 360-degree rotating spirit-level bubble paired with a self-adjusting vacuum suction cup. Together, they ensure ultra-accurate alignment on almost any surface without the hassle of constant manual adjustments. Whether you're installing flooring, mounting shelves, or working with tricky angles, this level locks in place with millimeter-level precision. Thanks to its auto-lock stabilization system, you can set it once and trust it to stay put. No repeated tweaks needed. And with a powerful 3,600 mAh battery, it delivers up to 15 hours of continuous use, making it ideal for long workdays or back-to-back jobs. One of the standout features is its negative 60 kilopascal vacuum suction. This provides a rock-solid grip on all kinds of surfaces, from slick tiles and smooth glass to rough wood and concrete. Combined with a heavy-duty 11 kilograms load capacity and auto-frequency suction technology, you get flawless stability in every application. Despite all that power, it's incredibly user-friendly. The compact design makes it easy to carry and simple to operate, whether you're a weekend renovator or on the job site daily. From basic home improvements to complex construction layouts, the Odubi laser level delivers professional-grade accuracy and reliability without the bulk, fuss, or high cost. Precision, power, and portability all in one smart tool. With Odubi, perfect alignment is just a press away. The Ryobi 18-volt 1+ pool vacuum offers a powerful, cordless solution for keeping your pool, hot tub, or spa spotless without the hassle of tangled cords or heavy equipment. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight, yet it packs a serious punch, delivering up to 13 gallons per minute of suction power. Designed to run on any Ryobi 18-volt 1+ battery, this vacuum gives you the freedom to move around your pool with ease. It's perfect for removing common debris like sand, leaves, and dirt, making routine cleaning fast and effortless. Whether it's daily upkeep or a post-storm deep clean, this tool is built to handle it all. The wide debris inlet and clear removable floor head are ideal for capturing both large and fine particles. A generous 1.7-liter tank means fewer interruptions to empty, allowing you to finish the job faster. And with an IPX8 waterproof rating, the vacuum works even when fully submerged up to 13 feet, so you don't have to worry about deep spots or tricky areas. It also features a dual filtration system that maintains strong suction throughout your cleaning session, while its compatibility with standard pool poles gives you extended reach where you need it most. As part of the Ryobi One Plus system, this pool vacuum shares batteries with over 300 tools, offering unbeatable value and convenience. You can easily swap batteries between your yard tools, drills, and now your pool vacuum. Whether you're doing regular maintenance or tackling heavier debris after a storm, the Ryobi 18-volt One Plus pool vacuum combines efficiency, portability, and performance into one sleek, reliable tool. Simple to use, tough on debris. It's the smart way to keep your water crystal clear every time. The Handy Brew is a clever, all-in-one caddy designed to bring convenience and comfort to your workspace, campsite, or backyard. Whether you're a weekend DIYer, outdoor enthusiast, or just someone who enjoys a cold drink while getting things done, this multifunctional tool is built for you. Compact, durable, and incredibly portable, the Handy Brew combines the essentials of a tool caddy with a built-in beverage holder, keeping your drink cool and your tools within reach. It features a secure koozie to hold your favorite beverage, a storage compartment for screws or small gear, and even a phone rest so you can follow tutorials or take calls hands-free. But it doesn't stop there. It comes equipped with a screwdriver, tape measure, and a printed conversion chart, turning it into a mini tool station you can carry anywhere. Whether you're hanging shelves, tightening bolts, or measuring a space, it's got what you need in one compact setup. The design includes a clip for attaching to your belt or tool bag, offering true hands-free mobility while you work or explore. That means no more walking back and forth to grab what you forgot. Everything's right there with you. Its versatility goes well beyond the garage or shed. Use it while fishing to store lures and track measurements. Clip it to your golf bag to hold tees, balls, and refreshments. Take it camping, and you've got both tools and comfort in one rugged little package. With its smart design, tough build, and wide range of uses, the Handy Brew is the kind of gear you didn't know you needed until you try it. From job sites to fishing spots, it keeps you productive, organized, and refreshed every step of the way. The Koink Masterfine 360 is a compact yet powerful multifunction paint sprayer crafted for designers, modelers, artists, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Weighing just 350 grams, it's incredibly lightweight. But don't let its size fool you. It delivers professional-grade performance with total portability. At the heart of the Masterfine 360 is a 0.2 micrometer ultrafine nozzle that atomizes paint into particles as small as 20 to 300 nanometers. This creates an ultra-smooth, bead-free finish, perfect for intricate model painting, detailed art projects, baking decoration, stage makeup, graffiti, upcycling, and even creative outdoor applications. You can switch effortlessly between spray and hand painting modes, allowing you to adapt based on the detail or coverage you need. Whether you're going for ultra-fine lines or broader strokes, the dual-mode system and adjustable air pressure offer precise control on even the most complex surfaces. The included portable compressor pump kit features 3 speed settings and supports quick tool changes between markers and airbrushes, giving you maximum flexibility mid-project. Powered by a built-in 3000 mAh lithium battery, the Masterfine 360 runs for up to 3.5 hours of continuous use, enough for long, creative sessions without interruption. Its modular design makes cleaning easy, while the integrated 30 psi turbine pump ensures a steady, quiet, and reliable spray every time you power it on. No loud buzzing or overheating, just smooth operation and consistent results. Whether you're painting a miniature figure, decorating a cake, or crafting your next cosplay prop, the Masterfine 360 gives you the precision, freedom, and performance you need in one sleek, portable device. From fine detail to full coverage, it's a tool that transforms how you create, one spray at a time. The Bessie STE series features heavy-duty telescopic supports built specifically for overhead tasks like securing drywall, beams, and large panels. These tools are trusted for their durability, strength, and user-friendly design, making them a go-to for professionals and DIY users alike. What sets these supports apart is their adjustable height range and simple one-handed operation. Whether you're working alone or on a tight schedule, the STE series helps you get the job done safely and efficiently. The standout feature is the quick slide button, allowing the telescopic rod to extend or retract in seconds. No complex setup, just press, adjust, and lock into place. Need to hold something steady on an angled ceiling or uneven floor? No problem. The handle lets you fine-tune both height and pressure, giving you a secure hold even on challenging surfaces. Built from robust steel tubing, these supports are designed to handle tough environments. The non-slip PVC pads provide excellent grip without scratching or damaging your materials. Swivel-mounted contact pads give you even more versatility. They rotate to match the angle of your surface, providing a stable, adaptable connection no matter the job. Whether you're installing ceiling panels, supporting wooden beams, or holding temporary partitions, the Bessie STE series delivers reliable support every time. Available in a range of sizes and compatible with accessories like ceiling tripods, these supports can be customized to suit nearly any project. From construction sites to home renovations and precision woodworking, the Bessie STE series offers the dependable performance and flexibility professionals expect. Easy to adjust, built to last. The Bessie STE supports aren't just tools, they're your second set of hands when you need them most. The Makita VS00001G is a heavy-duty cordless sweeper designed to handle the toughest cleanup jobs on construction sites, warehouses, and other demanding environments. Powered by a 40-volt Max XGT battery, this machine delivers strong suction power and smooth maneuverability without the hassle of cords or fuel. At the heart of its design are dual main brushes, with the option to add a side brush for even more sweeping power. The main brush spans 480 millimeters, and with the side brush attached, the cleaning width extends to 650 millimeters. This allows the sweeper to cover up to 2,600 square meters per hour, making quick work of large areas. You can adjust the brush speed depending on your setting, choosing between standard mode for deeper cleaning and a quiet mode for more sensitive environments. A 24-liter dust container catches large debris, while the HEPA filter traps fine dust particles to improve air quality. An electric filter cleaning system also helps prevent clogging and maintains powerful, consistent suction over time. Thoughtful features make the VS001G easy to use. A control panel conveniently placed on the handle, a built-in LED job light for dim spaces, and a foldable body for compact storage when not in use. Despite its capabilities, it's surprisingly portable, weighing between 29.9 to 33.1 kilograms depending on the setup. With two 8-hour batteries, it can run for up to 200 minutes in standard mode and up to 480 minutes in quiet mode, offering long-lasting performance across full workdays. Built for pros, but easy enough for anyone to use, the Makita VS001G turns cleanup into a fast, efficient task, leaving your worksite spotless and your team ready for the next project. Slabathther is a robotic router sled designed to revolutionize how wooden slabs are flattened. A must-have tool for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers alike. With a focus on automation and accuracy, it takes the heavy lifting out of slab flattening, giving you better results with far less manual effort. The design is built for flexibility. Its dual-rail system easily adapts to different slab sizes, whether you're working on small boards or large live-edge projects. The default cutting area spans 30 inches by 41.5 inches between the rails, and for bigger jobs, the system can be extended using readily available materials like wood or steel tubing. That means you're never limited by the size of your workpiece. Compatible with most routers that have a square base between 3.5 to 4.5 inches, Slabathther offers both accessibility and power. Simple onboard controls, along with a dedicated companion app, allow you to adjust speed, feed rate, and return position with ease, giving you full control without complicated setup. Its solid 40-inch base and steel construction keep the machine stable, even during long passes over uneven surfaces. Despite its rugged build, it's surprisingly portable, making it easy to transport between workshops or job sites. Optional add-ons enhance performance, expanding its range of use. Whether you're crafting furniture, shaping live-edge countertops, or restoring old wood, Slabathther ensures a perfectly level finish every time. By automating one of the most time-consuming steps in woodworking, Slabathther frees up your energy for the creative part of the process. With reliability, Precision and adaptability all packed into one machine. It's a true game changer in modern woodworking. And the only slab flattening tool you might ever need. STE GTA 26 Pruner, a compact powerhouse that redefines how you care for your garden. This battery-powered pruner is designed for quick, efficient, and precise cutting, making it ideal for trimming small branches, pruning shrubs, or handling light cutting tasks around the home or garden. Whether you're shaping a fruit tree, clearing storm debris, or managing seasonal growth, the G26 gets the job done with ease and control. At the heart of this tool is a 4-inch 10-centimeter guide bar and chain, giving it a cutting capacity of up to 4 inches in diameter. That's more than enough for most backyard jobs. And unlike traditional gas-powered tools, the GTA 26 runs on a 10.8-volt lithium-ion battery, offering cordless freedom, no fumes, and ultra-quiet operation. Just charge, click it in, and go. Weighing just 3.1 pounds, 1.4 kilograms without the battery, the GTA 26 is designed to be incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. It fits comfortably in one hand and is specifically shaped for one-handed use, allowing you to reach into tight spaces, trim from tricky angles, and maintain excellent balance and control throughout your work. The tool is not only convenient, it's clean and efficient. No gas, no tangled cords, no complicated startup. Just press the button and you're ready to cut. Perfect for casual gardeners, homeowners, and even professionals who want a compact solution for lighter work. With STE's trusted build quality, the GTA 26 delivers both performance and durability, wrapped in a sleek, user-friendly package. So if you're looking for a tool that's small enough to store easily, but powerful enough to handle your everyday garden needs, the STE GTA 26 is a must-have. Lightweight, reliable, and impressively effective, right at your fingertips.